fascinated universe without any single prototype. God is the master, maker, healer, helper, protector, glorious and tremendous too. Who is the first without the first before him? Who is the last without the last behind him? Dear jury members, respected teachers, honorable guests, and all my dear and near ones, dear sister and brother.
Whereas your topic is importance of parenting.
Before starting my topic, I want to say two lines. I love my feelings, my emotions towards my parents. इसलिए चल न सका कोई भी खंजर मुझ पे, इसलिए चल न सका कोई भी खंजर मुझ पे, मेरी शहरत पे मेरी माँ की दुआ रखी थी. If I discuss related to the importance of parenting, parenting play a very important role in a human's life because parenting can make and heal and join the future of our children. The parenting has power to make our children and enjoy and travel too. Parents, what a beautiful words, the parents. It contains the bag of responsibility on their soldiers. The first question is that from where and when does the journey of a parent begins? Would you like to know? The first journey of a parent begins before the birth of the child. A recently married girls who have no idea how to conceive a baby in her womb but is still facing these whole problems. A mother is ready to bear to sustain her emotions, her pains, and in spite of much pains, the mother is ready from first day till 270 days, and he carries the load of baby, and the first journey of a parent is completed. And the second journey of a parent is started after the birth of the child. After the birth of the child, one of the most important things is the nomenclature of the baby. Because a good name affects more than 45% over the baby. Remember that what you saw in the age of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that will be never change. What you do, they will learn. If you want your children to give respect to your elders, then you must be a good respecter. If you want your children to know the lesson of humanity, then you must be a good human. If you can't do that, you should never expect your child to either. I want to say these two lines for those pupils who have much complaints towards their baby, towards their children. कोई चिराग जलाता नहीं सलीके से, कोई चिराग जलाता नहीं सलीके से, मगर सभी को शिकायत हवा से होती है. It's mean that if a parents want to remove the negative character from their baby, first of all they should remove all the negative characters towards their own self, and after that they will get the positive characters towards their baby. But alas, in spite of much hurdles, what did the parents get behalf of us? An anxiety, rudeness, frustration, irritations, misbehavior, separated house. Are you forget how they complete your wishes by killing their own? Are you forget how they complete your need, your demands? From boy to school to college, college to university, and university to coaching centers. Their youth, their past, their present, their futures to make your future.
5 minutes has been completed. Now it's time for your phonetics.
So I want to say to us, with those pupils, with those parents, with those children who have no respect for their parents. तुमको माँ बाप ने पैदा किया, पाला पोसा, तुम क्या माँ बाप की खिदमत भी नहीं कर सकते? It's mean that the parents, the children who did not serve their parents age. They are not able to say the humans in the face of humans. Because in the verses of Holy Quran, God has also ordered to us that to respect your parents, to respect your elders, even to respect your younger too. But how we forget the lesson of humanity which is taught by our parents? It is prayer? No. I want to say these two lines, and with the help of these two lines, I want to express the feelings or emotions toward the parents. ये वो माँ बाप हैं जिनको देखना हो तो अर्श से और फर्श के मकाम को देख ले. It's mean that if we want to improve ourselves, then we must be a good human. Because on the time of our Prophet Muhammad, in our Prophet Muhammad, at one time the Wasita belonged his companions, and he repeated a single line for many times. He's not caught into the test. He's not caught into the test. उसकी नाक खाक में मिल गई. After listening this instance for many times, the companion asked, O Messenger of Allah, O Prophet, who's not caught into the test? Then our Prophet replied that the one who did not serve their parents, who did not serve their elders in their old age.
It's time over. Now I would like to request our task force to please put up their questions.
Thank you so much, sir.
What are the differences between the parents of India as compared to the parents in foreign?
First of all, I want to share my knowledge difference between the parent of India and parent of foreign. During the lockdown, we know a very positive task toward the foreign parents, because in the United States of America, the number of unemployment has been decreases 90% in the case of women, while the number of unemployment of men is only decreases the 7% of women. It means that the foreign parents somewhere their women are run their family members or run their jobs, their daughters. But if I talking about the difference in the comparison of Indian parents, it is the quality of our India that our Indian parents work together, live together, they want to die together. It is the quality of India, and it is the biggest quality of the Indian parents.
How you will satisfy your parents if your area is interest is different to your parents?
First of all, I want to share my love emotion towards my parents, because I have such a wonderful parents. They have fully support to me. I know that in whatever conditions I have, they will never leave to support me. It doesn't matter which type of area I have. In each and every area they will support me, and I have no any objection. I don't know how the children, they said that we have the lots of complaints against their parents, but really it is the blessing of Allah. If I want to die in the corner of us, then my parents will present be there also.
Okay.
My question, Miraj, any ambiguity between parents? Listen it carefully. Any ambiguity between parents can check the identity of the child, or can carve or discarve the identity of the child?
Ma'am, please repeat your question again.
Okay,
Please.
I frame it in another way. Any change or difference between parents or their thoughts can change the identity of the child?
No, ma'am. I really against of this point, because somewhere we are the ones, we are the learner from the 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 age, and that we this was that age, then when if we want to develop any habit, then that habit will never become changed. And the things which I know, the thoughts and the things which are the parents and the children can change ever. In my glance, there should be no any place where the thoughts of parents can be changed. But in case of humanity, in case of truthfulness, in case of education, if the thoughts of children can differ from their their parents, then somewhere it can be good, because somewhere we are each and everybody is the learner of this universe, and somewhere we can want to understand the education, importance of education to our parents too. Then this is the things.
It seems that you have not understood my question. I have asked any difference or differences between parents related to any topic, any thought can change the identity of their child. If there is difference
Yes,
between
ma'am.
thoughts of their parents, if
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
not,
I get it.
now you
Yes.
got it.
Yes, ma'am. The difference, the things, yes, I to give speech here. And their children have no knowledge, their children have favors in the favor of education, but the parents, if they have much objection toward the education, then the things that will be changed, that will be different into the thoughts of the children. This is the same.
Okay, again you have not understood. Change in the thought process of both the parents. Father is thinking another way and mother is thinking another way. Will that thinking, will that difference cause any identity crisis in the child?
Yes, ma'am. Because on that time, the child will face many types of problems and hesitations on the way of their luck, on the way of their ambitions, on the way of their passions. But if a mother have sense more than her husband, but if a husband have much sense more than his wife, then the life can be balanced, because the husband and wife relations like a wheel of a car. If one wheel can be disbalanced, then it certain that the car will be distract from their path. Then it is the correct and important thing. The parents and the husband and wife should know the importance of their thoughts, their knowledge.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I want to add up my speech with these 2 lines. Really, I have no words which can define the value of my teachers' excellence of me. But still, I want to say 2 quotes. जिनको तूफान से उलझने की हो आदत मोहसिन, जिनको तूफान से उलझने की हो आदत मोहसिन, ऐसी कश्ती को समंदर भी दुआ देते हैं. A very warm, one and all present here again, and assalamu alaikum to one and all.